So illustration 32, mark it important for exam. Let's read the question. To study the relation between age X of teenage children and their daily requirement of protein Y grams, the following information is obtained from a sample of 10 children taken by the health department of state. Sigma x, sigma y, sigma x minus 10 the whole square, sigma y minus 15 the whole square, sigma x minus 10, y minus 15 is equal to 60. Find correlation coefficient between x and y. So we have to find R. Okay, it is illustration 31. Now, see, first of all, even if you are able to read through the question, I would like always to write what is given first. That's the first step. So while writing what is given, you will come to know what is missing, what needs to be found out. Now let's start writing with sigma x is equal to 140. Sigma y is equal to 150. Sigma x minus 10 the whole square is equal to 180. Sigma y minus 15 the whole square is 215. And sigma x minus 10 y minus 15 is equal to 60. So now we have the information. N is equal to 10. Don't forget this. Now first let's find out mean. X bar is equal to sigma x upon n, which is equal to 140 upon 10. So x bar is equal to 40. Y bar is equal to sigma yi upon n, which is equal to 150 upon 10. So y bar is equal to 15. Now, dhyan do please all of you. X bar is 14, but over here it is x minus 10. So this 10 is not mean. What is this 10? Can you tell me?
Assumption
Me.
Yes, it's a assumed mean. Understood this? किसी को कोई doubt? So here we cannot take x minus x bar because this is x minus a and not x minus x bar. Then y bar is equal to 15. And over here this y bar, y minus 15, this 15 is also y bar. But we cannot have x minus a and y minus y bar as a formula. ऐसा कोई formula देखा है हमने? Hybrid पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. समझ में आया? समझ में आया? ओके, सो यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. Over here, this 15 also we will take as a assume mean, which is somewhere same as mean, but because one is a assume mean, other will also be a assume mean, coincidentally or knowingly a mean, but doesn't matter. We take it as B because we don't have a hybrid formula. Okay. And so this is what? This is x minus 10 and y minus 15. So this is x minus a and y minus b. Now, what do we have? We take u is equal to x minus 10 upon 1. Okay, but because it's upon 1, we don't take it. V is equal to y minus 15. So it means what? This is sigma u square, which is 180. So I underline it, make it a box. This is sigma v square, which is equal to 215. So I highlight this, and this is sigma u into v, which is equal to 60. So we have sigma uv, we have sigma v square, we have sigma u square, but what we don't have sigma u and sigma v. Agree with me? So now what should we do? Dhyan dena sab. Now we will take, please pay attention on the screen for a while. This u we take as sigma u, which is sigma into x minus 10, which is u, and here sigma v is equal to y minus 15, which is v. Now we open the bracket, so which is sigma x minus sigma 10, which is equal to, what is sigma x? Already it is given over here, sigma x is 140. If not given, we would have taken sigma x bar is sigma x upon n. So sigma x is equal to x bar into n. So we would take x bar into n minus sigma 10 means what? 10 times we deducted n is equal to 10. So 10 times we deducted 10 from each observation. So n into 10. This is an important step. Important. Now if you do x bar into n minus directly 10, your answer will go wrong. So please be careful. Now, which is equal to x bar, yeah?
ફરીથી એકવાર એક્સપ્લેન કરજો ને.
See, x bar into n તને ખબર પડી દીપ?
હા હા સર.
ઓકે, આ n into 10 ના ખબર પડી ને?
સર
યા દીપ?
સર એટલે n into n 10 છે, આ બીજો 10 છે એના માટે.
હા સમજાવું તને, એક જ સેકન્ડ. થોડું અહીંયા હલી ગયું છે સેટિંગ્સ. ઓકે, ધ્યાન આપના. See, say for example, x is 12, 15, 18, 13, 10, 12, 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 16, 14. So these are 10 observations. Now you are taking x minus some assume mean, say 14. Sorry. You are taking x minus, say 10, some assume number a. So minus 10 કેટલી વાર થશે? 12 minus 10, 15 minus 10, 18 minus 10, 13 minus 10.
ખબર પડી ગઈ સર.
હા, તો minus 10
કાલે તમે કરાયેલું
10 times. આ બધાનું total is what? Sigma x, which is same as total of this, which is sigma x. Understood this now? All of you in the house, in the Zoom session, all of you. Okay, now come over here. X bar into n, which is equal to 140 minus 10 into 10 is 100, which is equal to 40. So sigma u is equal to 40. Over here, sigma y minus 15 is equal to sigma y minus sigma 15. So sigma y is what? Y bar into n, or n into y bar. Sigma 15 will be what? Can you tell me now?
n into 15.
Yes, n into 15. Important step, which is equal to 150. 10 into 15 is 150. We were knowing this, that this will be 0 because y minus y bar ka total sum of deviation of observation from the mean is always equal to 0. So sigma v is equal to 0. Mark it. Now you have sigma u, you have sigma v, you have sigma uv, you have sigma u square, sigma v square, sigma uv, you have sigma u, you have sigma v. So let's write the formula. So R is equal to n sigma uv minus sigma u into sigma v upon under root n sigma u square minus sigma u the whole square under root n sigma v square minus sigma v the whole square, which is equal to 10 into uv 60 minus sigma u, which is 40 into 0 upon under root of 10 into sigma u square is 180 minus sigma u 40 the whole square, so 1600 under root 10 into sigma v square, that is 215 minus 0, which is equal to 600 minus 0 upon under root of 1800 minus 1600, 200 under root of 2150, which is equal to 600 upon under root 200 upon under root 2150, which is equal to, take the calci, get the answer. (200) into 2150 under root divide equal to into 600, 0.9149, 0.9149, which is equivalent to 0.92. I suggest you write both, this also and this also. Answer. So I did this sum once again so that concepts become clear. Always be careful when sum is given like that, like this. Don't start applying directly. आधा sum पढ़ा नहीं और चालू पड़ गए x minus x bar, y minus y bar वाला formula. No. Always read the question carefully. Such sums can come either for 3 or for 5 marks. 5 marks. Illustration number 28. Now, mark this sum very important for exam. Now, an educationalist has conducted an experiment to know the relation between usage of social media in mobile phone and the result of examination. See what a practical sum. जब ये टेक्स्ट बुक बना तब इतना ऑनलाइन लर्निंग भी नहीं था, पर क्या फोरसाइट है हमारे गुजरात एजुकेशन बोर्ड का कि ऐसा सोच लिया था उन्होंने, सोशल मीडिया पे लोग बहुत जाते हैं, तो सोशल मीडिया एंड रिजल्ट ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन का रिश्ता हम देख रहे हैं, कोरिलेशन. A group of 10 students is selected for this and following results are obtained regarding the time spent X in last week on social media and the marks obtained out of 50 in the examination taken immediately after it. Sigma x, sigma y, sigma x square, sigma y square, sigma xy. Later on, it was found that one pair of observation of x and y was taken as 13 and 20. So wrongly taken as 13 and 20 instead of 15 and 25. Find the correct value of correlation coefficient between x and y. Now, I'll take a breather. You also please read the question once again on your own. Okay. Now, first, always write what is given. So, I will also write. Now, there are 10 students. So, n is equal to 10. Sigma x is equal to 133. Although given in the question, you have to always write what is given. So in the solution, what is given? Given is n is equal to 10, sigma x 133, sigma y is 220, sigma x square is 2344, sigma y square is equal to 6500, and sigma xy is equal to 3500. Now pay attention what has happened. We have wrong observation, so I write it in red. Wrong observation for values of x and y is wrong taken. 13x in the x variables, 13 was wrongly taken, and in the y, 20 was wrongly taken. Correct observation was 15 and 25. Now, why I have written this over here, let me put them in a table. Now you can see that because there were wrong x, wrong y, because of that sigma x became wrong. So your sigma x got wrong, your sigma y got wrong, then x into y. So we got wrong sigma x into y, we got wrong sigma x square, and we got wrong sigma y square. So first of all, we have to find all of them the correct one. All of them. All of you understood this? All of you understood this? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, let's start one by one. Okay. Now, I'll also write them over here. So 13 into 20 is 260 x square. 13 square is equal to 169 and y square, so 400. So this was wrongly taken in the total, respective total. Correct is 15 into 25, 375. 15 square is 225 and 25 square is equal to 625. So you can see this was wrong and this one is correct. Okay, you don't have to do the total and all right now. The wrong observation was included. Now we have to remove wrong and find the correct. So let's start one by one with correct sigma x is equal to wrong sigma x is 133 minus wrong observation is 13 and correct observation is 15. So which is equal to 135. Then correct sigma y, which is equal to wrong sigma y 220 minus wrong observation is 20 and correct observation is 25. So it becomes 225. This is the correct one. This is the wrong one. And this again we get the correct total. Okay. Now, correct sigma x square. So correct sigma x square is wrong sigma x square. What is wrong sigma x square? 2, 3, 4, 4. अब ध्यान देना प्लीज, उसमें से माइनस करेंगे रॉन्ग ऑब्जर्वेशन का स्क्वायर. सो 2, 3, 4, 4 में से रॉन्ग ऑब्जर्वेशन का स्क्वायर यानी 13 का स्क्वायर. I'll make one more step for you so that you clearly understand when you do it again. Plus correct observation 15 का square, which is equal to 2, 3, 4, 4 minus 169 plus 225, which is equal to 2, 3, 4, 4 minus 169 plus 225, 2400. So correct sigma x square is 2400. Now, correct sigma y square is equal to wrong sigma y square, which is 6500, minus wrong observation is 20 uska square, and correct observation, so plus that is 25 ka square, which is equal to 6500 minus 400 plus 625, which is equal to 6500 minus 400 plus 625, which is equal to 6725. So sigma y square is equal to 6725. Now, ये हो गया सिग्मा x, ये हो गया सिग्मा y. Now sigma x square, sigma y square. Now sigma xy का टर्न है. So let's go to sigma xy, wrong one. So correct sigma xy is equal to 3500 minus, ध्यान दो please, ध्यान दो please, minus wrong observation 13 into 20. So 13 into 20, correct observation is 15 into 25. So plus 15 into 25, which is equal to 3500 minus 260 plus 375. We have already done it over here, 260 and 375, which is equal to 3615. So we have correct sigma xy, which is equal to 3615. Let's apply the formula now. Formula is R is equal to n sigma x y minus sigma x into sigma y upon under root n sigma x square minus sigma x the whole square under root n sigma y square minus sigma y the whole square. So let's do it. N is equal to 10. 10 into 3615 minus sigma x correct 135 and 225. Into 225 whole upon n is 10 into sigma x square 2400 minus sigma x the whole square 135 the whole square under root 10 into 6725 minus 225 the whole square, which is equal to 36150 minus 30375 whole upon. Now here what we will do is 2400 into 10 is equal to 24,000. So memory plus 135 into is equal to 18 to 25. Okay, I'll write one step for you, not to worry. So 24,000 minus 18225 67250 minus 50625. Please solve it on your own. Five seven seven five upon under root,
5775
again 5775 under root
16,625
16,625. So multiply 16,625 into 5775, which is equal to 96009375 under root divide is equal to into 5775, which comes to 0.5894. 0.58937. Okay, 937. So which is equivalent to 0.53, and 7 will become 4. 9 will come over here, so 8 will become 9. Therefore, R is equal to 0.5 answer. So over here, this working over here on the screen is very important. Deep, it will be 0.59. Now, to know the relation between the ability in two different subjects for the students, now we are going to judge the ability. Okay, ability. So, a qualitative attribute, okay, a qualitative characteristics. A sample of 7 students is taken from a school. From the information of marks in 2 subjects for 7 students, it is known that sum of square of sum यानी sigma square किसका difference in the ranks of these marks is 25.5. It is also known that, so this is what, this is sum यानी sigma square किसका difference का is equal to 25.5. It is also known that 2 subjects got equal marks in one sub. 2 students got equal marks in one subject, and all the remaining marks are different. Find the rank correlation. So now first let's write what is given. Start with some new color. Okay. Now n is equal to
7
7 sigma d square is equal to 25.5. It is known that two students got equal marks. So m is equal to 2. Now, yaad karo what is m? M means number of time and observation is repeated. So two students got equal marks. So twice a number was repeated. That is m is equal to 2. Now what we have to find? We have to find r. So first let's find CF. Okay, or let's write the formula. Then we find CF 1 minus 6 sigma d square plus CF is correction factor upon n square minus 1. Now, this will solve it first, then we will deduct it from what? Now, CF is equal to sigma of what? M cube minus m by 12. So you have to remember the formula, dear students, because if you will forget the formula, your sum will go wrong. In exam, you will forget कि what was m for m sigma cf sigma m my m cube minus m upon 12 याद ही नहीं आएगा. So please learn the formula. Write everyday formula 5 times, 10 times, 15 times, 50 times, 1000 times till you don't remember. Have that thing in your mind कि तब तक लिखोगे जब तक याद नहीं रहता, फिर वापस याद करो, नहीं याद रहा वापस लिखो. If you develop that habit, you will do very well in your academic life, because understanding we are here, but for learning you only have to learn by putting in efforts. I can show you the tricks, but you have to put that effort. So यहाँ पे ध्यान दो, 2 cube minus 2 upon 12, which is equal to 2 cube is 8 minus 2 upon 12, which is 0.5. Therefore, CF is equal to 0.5. Now, applied in the formula, 1 minus 6 into sigma d square is 25.5 plus 0.5 upon n is 7, 7 square minus 1. Which is equal to 1 minus 6 into 25.5, so 26 upon 7 into 7 square is 49, is 48. 6, 8s are 48, 13, 4. So which is 1 minus 13 by 28, which is 1 minus
0.46.
0.46, which is equal to 0.54. Therefore, R is equal to 0.54. Now, Dhyando, please. This can come as a short sum for 1 mark. Okay. Now, if the correlation coefficient between two variables x and y is 0.5, find the value of the following. Now, first is r between x and minus y, r between minus x and y, and r minus x and minus y. So, ध्यान दो, how do we solve this? See, for example, you are given x and you are given y, and then you find rank or correlation of x and y, or correlation between x comma y, which you get is 0.5. Now first what happens is, we take r, we keep x as it is, but all the values of y we take as negative. So sigma xy will also become negative. Now sigma xy will become negative. So what happens over here? Your R will also become negative, that is 0.5. Understood this? एक पॉजिटिव दूसरा नेगेटिव, तो प्लस माइनस
minus
ओके. नाउ सेकेंड, आर ऑफ माइनस एक्स कॉमा वाई. अब वाई वाले पॉजिटिव जो थे वैसे ही रहे, बट एक्स वाले नेगेटिव हो गए. एक्स नेगेटिव और वाई पॉजिटिव, तो क्या होगा? आंसर पे क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? इट विल बी प्लस minus. So minus plus is minus, plus minus is also minus, negative. Okay. Now what happens for the third one? R minus x comma minus y. तो क्या हो जाएगा?
It will remain same.
Minus will become plus, positive. Because when you do x into y, this will become positive. When you take x square, that will be positive. When you take y square, that will also be positive. Understood there, students? This is a property of correlation coefficient. Is this clear? Any doubt? Now, iska hi second part. Let's do, let me copy it. Now, ध्यान दो please. We'll do it here. Now, R in the bracket x comma y is 0.8. We have to find R of u or v. So, ध्यान दो, we go back to the basic concept. We had x, we had y. Now, if x and y are, x bar, y bar are not in fraction, or whether they are in fraction, can we use the formula x, y to solve it? यानी जो तीनों फॉर्मूला हमने देखे वो तीनों से आंसर तो सेम ही आता है, whether you take x minus x bar, whether you take x y, or whether you take u v. You agree? यानी क्या कि x और y को अगर u और v में भी कन्वर्ट किया तो भी आंसर पे कोई फर्क पड़ा नहीं. ओके, सो ध्यान दो. नाउ x और y को कन्वर्ट किया u और v, पर फर्क कब पड़ता है? जब साइंस में फर्क पड़ जाता है, सब फर्क. तो यहां पे पहला u x माइनस 10 है तो कोई टेंशन नहीं है, और v क्या है? y प्लस 10. तो x भी पॉजिटिव है, y भी पॉजिटिव है. तो यहां पे r क्या हो जाएगा? पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव?
Positive.
Positive. So R is equal to 0.8. Now second one. बोलो क्या?
सर यहाँ पे u पॉजिटिव है, वो कैसे पता चला?
अरे x में से 10 को माइनस किया तो x की वैल्यूज पॉजिटिव ही रखी, और y में 10 को ऐड किया तो y की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव ही रखी. x और y की वैल्यूज में कोई चेंज नहीं किया हमने. पता चला? ओके. सेकेंड में x minus 5 by 3. Now x again पॉजिटिव है और 2y plus 7 है, y भी पॉजिटिव है. अब किसी को डिवाइड किया, मल्टीप्लाई किया, ऐड किया, सब्सट्रैक्ट किया, x को कितना भी मचेड़ा हमने, x को पहले क्या किया, x में से कुछ माइनस किया, फिर x को किसी से डिवाइड किया, तो भी x और y से जो uv आया उसको r को कोई इंपैक्ट कर सकता नहीं है। x और y को जितना मैनिपुलेट करना है करो, ऐड करो, सब्सट्रैक्ट करो, डिवाइड करो, मल्टीप्लाई करो, बट r को कोई फर्क पड़ता नहीं है। r को कब फर्क पड़ता है, जब साइन चेंज कर दो x और y का, यानी एक पॉजिटिव दूसरा नेगेटिव, तो इनवर्स रिलेशन हो जाता है। समझ में आया? समझ में आया? ओके। और अगर दोनों नेगेटिव कर दिया तो पॉजिटिव है, एक नेगेटिव एक पॉजिटिव तो नेगेटिव, दो नेगेटिव तो पॉजिटिव, दो पॉजिटिव तो नेगेटिव, दो पॉजिटिव तो भी पॉजिटिव।
पॉजिटिव।
Yes, we all hate the word positive now, but be positive in your mind, in your life, not in RT-PCR test. Okay? Now, ध्यान दो, यहाँ पे खतरनाक हो गया ये वर्ड पॉजिटिव आजकल। अब यहाँ पे भी R is equal to 0.8. थर्ड वन, 2x में x पॉजिटिव है, पर ये y के साथ क्या हो रहा है बेचारे के साथ, y हो गया
माइनस
नेगेटिव, तो अभी r का वैल्यू क्या आएगा, व्हाट इज r इक्वल
Negative.
जीरो,
Minus 0.8.
प्लस और माइनस, प्लस और माइनस,
माइनस
माइनस। ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? तुम्हें क्या देखना है, जो सर्कल किया है वो ही देखना है। अब मुझे बताओ यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, फोर्थ में आंसर
माइनस
R is
Minus
Negative.
0.8.
again minus 0.8, and the last one
Positive.
R equal to
Positive.
पॉजिटिव
negative, negative becomes positive.
Positive.
0.8. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
And come for 1 mark or 2 mark. Understood? Divide cx, cy, a और b से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। ऐसा सर ने क्यों कहा? क्योंकि एक प्रॉपर्टी है कोरिलेशन का कि कोरिलेशन कोएफिशिएंट, प्लीज राइट, r is independent of what? Change of origin. Now change of origin यानी क्या? Plus or minus, and it is also independent of change of scale. यानी क्या? Divide or multiply. Please write this. This is a property of R. But property of mean क्या था? Property of mean ये था कि it is not independent of change of origin, neither independent of change of scale, and that's why we had the formula a x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di upon n into c। यानी d को हमने क्या किया, x माइनस ए अपॉन सी किया, इधर माइनस तो इधर प्लस, इधर डिवाइड तो इधर मल्टीप्लाई। तो ये था मीन का प्रॉपर्टी, मेजर्स ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी। इंपॉर्टेंट, अच्छा प्रॉपर्टी है, ये सब जानना जरूरी है एज अ स्टूडेंट। सिर्फ कैलकुलेशन करके स्टैट्स में 100 में से 100 ले आए, उसका वैल्यू नहीं है, यानी है वैल्यू, बट उसके साथ ये नॉलेज भी होना जरूरी है। ठीक है? हाँ, क्योंकि एक स्टूडेंट ने मेरे को ऐसा कहा था कि सर मार्क्स का क्या करना, वो तो पीस ऑफ पेपर पे ही है, तो अभी इतना ही ऐसा है तो लेके आना भाई। तो इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट कंसेप्चुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट। नाउ ये हो गया सबका। अब चलो एक्सरसाइज के सम्स पे चलते हैं। Again, question 9 is important for exam. The following data is obtained for two variables, inflation and interest rate. N is equal to 10, N is equal to, sorry, 50. Then sigma x is equal to 500. Then sigma y is equal to 300. Sigma x square 5450. Sigma y square 2000. Sigma xy 3090. Later on, it was known that one pair of observation 10 and 6 was included additionally by mistake. Find correlation coefficient by excluding this pair of observation. Now, this is the most important part. If you have not read this properly, you will make a mistake in exam. So please pay attention to this sum. Now, N is equal to 50, sigma x is equal to 500, sigma y is equal to 300, sigma x square is equal to 5450, sigma y square is equal to 2000, and sigma xy is equal to 3090. Now, over your wrong observation were taken as, for x and y were taken as 10 and 6. Now we have to remove them all together. इसको निकाल देना है. So यहाँ पे wrong और correct नहीं है, सिर्फ wrong है, उसको निकाल देना है. So let's do xy, that is 60, x square, that is 100, and y square, that is 36. So your wrong observation needs to be removed. So first, let's find out correct sigma x. So correct sigma x is equal to 500 minus 10. Which is equal to 490. Correct sigma x square is equal to 5450 minus 10 ka square, that is 100, which is equal to 5350. Then correct sigma y is equal to 300 minus 6 is 294. And correct sigma y square is equal to 2000 minus 6 square is 36, which is equal to 1964. Now, sigma xy is equal to 3090 minus x into y, that is 60, which is equal to 3030. So now, very important point comes once we write the formula and start with the sum. R is equal to n sigma uv minus sigma u into sigma v upon under root of n sigma u square minus sigma u the whole square under root n sigma v square minus sigma v the whole square. अब ध्यान दोगे सब. Now, what we will take as n? What is n?
50.
50 पर हमने उसमें से एक पूरे सेट ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन निकाल.
49.
What will be new n?
49.
So here I'll write new n is equal to old n minus 1, which is 49. This is important. If you take n is equal to 50, whole sum will go wrong because it is written exclude, nikal do is pair of observation po. So over here 49 into sigma, oh, I'm sorry, we need to change the formula. Here it is xy. I'll write the formula. R is equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon under root n sigma x square minus sigma x the whole square under root n sigma v square minus sigma v the whole square, which is equal to, now n was 50, but we excluded this pair of observation 10 and 6, so n becomes 49. So 49 into sigma xy is 3030 minus sigma x is 490 into 294 upon under root 49 into sigma x square 5350 minus sigma x 490 the whole square under root 49 into sigma y square 1964 minus, this is sigma y square minus sigma y the whole square minus sigma y the whole square 294 the whole square. Start doing, use calculator. One four eight 470 minus 490 into 294, which is equal to 144060 upon under root 490 49 into 5350 262150 minus 490 square 240100. Then 49 into 1964, which is 96236 minus 294 square 86436 9800 into 22050 under root, which is equal to 0.30. Therefore, R is equal to 0.30. Important point in this sum is you have to take n is equal to 49.